How to fulfill orders on Shopify. So, hi guys. The first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to shopify.com. Once we are routed to the page, log into your Shopify account, and by then you will be routed to your homepage. Now, here in our left hand panel, we're going to click or select on our order section right here. So, click on it, and then after which you can actually create an order. So this is the section where you fulfill your orders basically. And the first step is by creating an order. Now here, you just need to browse or search for the products that you would want to sell to your customer. So for example, I'm going to have this customized t-shirt and I have these two sizes. Next is that we are going to input our payment section. So you can actually add a discount if you would like to. So say for example, we're going to have the amount or percentage, and then you just need to input the value of how much you would like to give a discount. So say for example, 100 pesos or let's say 50 pesos. Okay. And there you have it. Now the reason it's because the person has reached like a certain amount of purchase. All right. And then simply, okay. So reach 1,000 pesos worth of items. That's like an example of the reason. And click on apply afterwards. Now here in the add shipping, you just need to input whether you're going to have a free shipping or customize the shipping right here. Okay, now you just input your rate name or your price there and simply hit on apply the changes. So say for example, for my rate name, I just leave it blank, and for the price, it would be like 100 pesos and click on apply. Okay, now for the VAT, it's like automatic 12%. It depends on the country that where you are basically located. And here above, we can actually select a customer. So I already have a customer right here, and I have already inputted all the information that I have for this customer. Okay, now, so we can also edit the shipping if we want to. We can do the standard or the free shipping and whatnot. If we want to do a free shipping option, we also do have that one. All right. Now, the next part that we have right here is just to give you an overview of the estimated tax. So taxes are automatically calculated. Again, it's depending on the country where you're basically located. Okay. So to learn more about it, you can click on that link. Now here for payment due later, you can actually select how many days the person can pay that specific item he or she has ordered. So is it within 60 days? Is it a fixed date within 7 days? And then select the issue date. So basically, let's say, for example, today's April 6 or 5. We can choose April 5 or 6. And then there, you can simply create your order. So the payment due will be on April 12th. All right, you could also set up automatic payment reminders for your customers if you click on the link. Okay, now the next section is that you have already successfully created an order. Now here you just need to create the order and there. So basically in this section, you can see that our order is still unfulfilled. In order to fulfill it, we just need to click on this green button, which is the fulfill items section. All right. Now in the fulfill item section, you can actually add the tracking number and the shipping carrier of these two items, right? And then here below, you could also notify customer of shipment as well. So you just need to tick on the box and whatnot and hit on fulfill items afterwards. So that's the easiest step on how to fulfill your items. If you click on fulfill items without inputting all the necessary information, it will actually give you an error or a code like what was shown a while ago. So, yes. But, however, if you do not have the tracking information and the shipping carrier just yet, um, all you need to do is to simply leave it as is, and you can actually go back to it. And I will be showing it to you in a while on how to fulfill orders if you would have it on the next day. All right. So let's try to go back on our page right here. Okay, so let's go to our order section again. So in the order section, as you can see, our order status is unfulfilled. Okay, so say for instance, this is like the next day and you just got your shipping or tracking information. You just simply need to click on your fulfillment status here, right? And then click on unfulfilled. As you can see, the payment status is still pending as well. So now let's move on. All right. And basically it will route you to the same page. Now you just need to click on this green button, which is the fulfill item section, and then input all the necessary information like your tracking information. This time it's actually optional. Right, so let's say, for example, the shipping carrier. Let's simply select one, and then you could also add a tracking number. Now, if you want to notify your customer of the shipment, you can check on that one out. Also, you could also recheck on your customer's shipping address basically, and simply fulfill the item. All right, as you can see here above, beside payment pending, the order has been fulfilled. Okay, so that's how we successfully fulfilled our order. Now, if we scroll down below, we can actually see a timeline wherein we can see the activities on that specific order that we have created and when it was basically fulfilled, when it was processed, if the customer has already paid for that specific um, order. And we could also add some notes if we go to the upper right hand section of this page and just simply type in. You could also use your timeline to simply communicate on your staff or on your customer on that specific order that you've created. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Basically, that's how you can fulfill orders here on Shopify. It's a pretty straightforward process. I hope that you have learned something in today's video and hope you find this helpful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.